Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Drawing Tutorials. In Kids series, today I am going to draw again the Winnie the Pooh. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And get ready with your pencil, paper, eraser and some coloring materials if you want to color. So let's get started. To draw head, we will draw a circle first and then we will refine it. Here we will draw the cheeks, which is little curved, and then eyes, nose, lips, and after that we will move to the body part. So now it's completed. We will make the outline with the black marker.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?
So now it's done. If you want to color it, you can color it by your choice. Thank you. Let's meet in the next lesson.